Sometimes, the best way to understand our brains is to understand the machines we modeled after them. Computers mainly use two types of memory, stack and heap. In heap memory, all the instructions and data are like jigsaw puzzle pieces in the box. You can grab any piece you want, because it doesn't matter where it is in the heap. Everything is in a jumble, easily accessible. Cluttered, sure, but accessible. This is how normal human brains work most of the time. Stack memory, however, pushes new items onto the stack, and pops only the last item off the top of the stack. It's like a one-brick-wide Jenga tower, or a pile of books. You can't get at an instruction in the middle without smashing the stack, and losing everything above it. This can lead to a kernel panic, where the entire system shuts down, or just the ruination of a current program. This is how the brains of many unmedicated ADHD people function. And this is how I explained it when my boss asked why I wasn't paying attention during a meeting. If he added something new to my stack, I would need to complete that before going back to my previous task. This is how I've trained my brain to deal with my ADHD. I must always work in the stack order. If I try to make it a heap-type access, my brain blue screens. Sure, there are emergency protocols to get to the middle of the stack. Using them does, however, break the entire stack. I end up having to rebuild. So, if he makes project change requests, those must be done first, even if it harms the progress so far. As a self-defense against my idiot brain, I have to tune him out. Hopefully, you're now equipped to explain stack mode brain to your boss, too.